ladies and gentlemen. Although you are late, I must at the outset convey my congratulations and thanks to Dr. B.S. Negi to come here to my state, Bengal, for the first time to organize such a big organization, a big gathering and what can say conference. Then I should say that I had already prepared some talk on CDG, but due to time constraint, I will try to keep short of all these things. Let me tell a few words. I was asked to talk about this city gas distribution challenges and opportunities for academic institutes. As you know that India is having 23 IITs and 41 NITs. Besides that, many other engineering colleges, almost 9,000 plus some engineering colleges are now running in India, which are producing BTech graduates, and out of this around 2,000 are government colleges. Now this big number of students, almost 1.5 million graduate engineers we are producing every year, and unfortunately maybe 30% are employable. Okay, so if you go through this one, there are different types of what you can say, 42 different types of branches which are available for their engineering graduation, but mainly the petroleum engineering graduates, they learn oil and gas. And even in petroleum engineering, if you see, there are not many petroleum engineering institutes are there. There are originally that mother institute was the Indian School of Mines, which is now IIT ISM Dhanbad, that has been producing since 1965 or so. The first graduate came out after that, 62 probably. So still we are producing, or I was there for 23 years as a faculty of petroleum engineering. Then I came to RGIPT Raebareli. Before that I was in ONGC also for 2 years. And then I came to that Pandit Deendayal Petroleum University, School of Petroleum Technology. There I was working for nearly 4.5 years, and finally at IIT Kharagpur we also started integrated course in petroleum engineering. But none of this what you can say, petroleum related degrees, they teach city gas distribution, except PDEU, which was earlier PDPU. They have one course in 5th semester, that what is city gas distribution is there. So my request to all, or from the organizer of this conference, to mail all the engineering colleges which are teaching petroleum or oil and gas, they should include CGD as a course. Even in recently, I was in Presidency University, Bangalore. They have petroleum engineering, that's a private institute. They are also going to start CGD. City gas distribution is coming up in a big way, because when the oil was there, then people used to get gas and then they used to tell it is a byproduct. They are interested in oil. Now gas has come. Now in our stage, while we asked our students how many, as a student, we asked our teachers how many years it will run. The simple reply, 30 years. Today also, when the students ask how many years? 30 years. What's the reason then? Because the technology is improving day by day, so it will still continue. If the oil is gone, the gas is there. If gas is gone, then what? The gas is different type of gas. This gas is maybe associated gas, this is going to be free gas and all these things. But gas hydrates are there, which produces a lot of gas. So for next 200 years, you can say gas supply will be there. So importance of this LNG, CNG or PNG will be definitely there. Now I think people might have told this thing, what is the difference between LNG, CNG and PNG. It's a same thing, that is natural gas, methane, which is in a liquid form, is in LNG tankers, which is minus 162 degrees centigrade, and CNG which is again gaseous form, but it is a high pressure 200 to 250 bar, and PNG is maybe less pressure, which is being supplied to the consumers directly to their kitchen.